Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Unity Stamp Company Unbagging of the Month. This is for the month of July. You're seeing this in August, I'm sure of it. Have I caught up with the old months? Probably not, because I can't find one of the stamp sets as I'm recording this in July. But you'll see that in August, right? So maybe I have, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's go ahead and take all this stuff out and get this glaring plastic out the way. So I got a message from Unity Stamp owner yesterday, which was July 14th. Now, I've had this a few days. Um, and she said that they were going to be going to clear stamps. You probably already know that by now. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm upset or sad, or I don't feel any kind of way actually. Because clear stamps, for the most part, you could see the image that you're stamping. So we're going to look at the free stuff first. We got twine. Someone has to package this up. We got 4 sheets of pattern paper, 3 sheets of pattern paper. We have 2 forms of plaid, and then some pants. These remind me of pants, right? Some older person pants. And the color is coming clear, so if it looks muted, it isn't muted. This color is more vibrant on camera, and this one is not as vibrant. The yellow or orange is more off camera. And then we got a brown sheet of paper, one big tag. Love these tags. I rarely use them because I want to keep them. And then we got these little cards we can fold over and make a card, right? So they gave us 2 card bases basically, and some things we could do with that. So that's the free, quote unquote, free stuff. And then we got, it's all making sense. So we got these flowers, some acorn, a squirrel. The squirrel is too cute. Every year you get a little bit more nuts. I agree with that. A little something to squirrel away, some nuts, right? You put, this is some money. You give them some money in the card. I can't read this out, make this out. You'll find the true value of moments is the memories they leave behind. Okay. Okay. Good things come to those who wait. How long do you have to wait is my question. Time to recharge. You deserve every happy moment that comes to your way, and someday it's going to make sense. I doubt it. I've heard that saying before. It has never come to me like, that made sense now. So we got a boat on the water. Did they fall in? Did they dive in? Is this a frog? I don't know. Did they jump in, dive in, fell in? The creature in the lake got them? I don't know. Some trees, some leaves, this bouquet of flowers, this pattern, and a squirrel. Do I like the kid? I don't know. Then we got this cute little squirrel. Now look, this is some nuts, a nut background stamp. We did not get that. All it says acorns all over background stamp. We did not get this one, which is kind of okay. And then we got this really cool set. You deserve every moment. And let's just look at it because I'm thinking of a number two. No, I'm thinking that these stamps are huge. They have to be big because there's not that many in them. And yeah, look at this pattern, humongous. The squirrel is humongous as well. I don't want to take them out because they've been falling apart lately. Then we got this. I'm just trying to not to get the glass. So these are pretty big stamps, but this bouquet, love that. Am I really impressed with this stamp set, y'all? Not, not really. But it's coming up for fall, right? So July, you make your fall cards, and these are all fall things. So I get it. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing as much as I have, if not more. I want to say thank you for watching. And until next time, happy crafting.